What is up, YouTube, and welcome back to another video on high altitude investing. In today's video, we are going to be talking about the top 10 utility low cap coins for massive gains this cycle. Make sure that you guys stay clear till the very end of this video, because I do have a bonus meme coin that could do up to 1000x in value. So make sure you watch all the way till the end to get that bonus coin and make a bunch of profits. So the first coin we're talking about today is MDT, Measurable Data Token. Now this coin currently has 18 million in total market cap, and here's a chart. It looks a lot like Litecoin's early day accumulation cycle. If this coin does what Litecoin did, this could do 140x returns from current price, which would put the market cap at 2.6 billion in total market cap. And our target would be $4 per MDT. Of course, none of these coins are guaranteed to hit the targets that I'm listing in today's video, but because of how small the market cap is on these coins, there is strong potential for them to reach these targets, or even pretty close to them if they don't quite hit them. So that's why the best thing to do is to buy now while everything is undervalued, and then scale out as these coins are pumping, because nobody knows exactly where they're going to stop at, but I do believe we could reach these targets on these coins. So MDT looks really good. I'm loving the setup with this coin. Again, it looks a lot like Litecoin, and I believe that it could hit upwards of $4, which would be 140x. Now you'll notice that as we go down this list, we're starting with the smallest market cap first and then going to the bigger market caps next, which is why the percentage gains will be smaller. 140x is a pretty big percentage gain. The coins further down this list won't give you quite the same percentage gain, but the risk is also probably a little bit lower on the coins that already have a bigger market cap because they're already more established. So next on our list is Flock, and Flock only has 50 million in total market cap, and my target for this coin is 30x, which would be $7 or a $1.5 billion total market cap. And as you can see, it looks a lot like Ethereum before Ethereum went parabolic and went crazy in its very first cycle. So I really love the setup here with Flock, and I do believe we could do at least 30x on this coin. Next on our list is Tensor, which has a $51 million market cap. My target for this coin is 100x, which would put us at a $5.1 billion market cap and a target of $15 per Tensor. And I know that sounds crazy, but check out this chart right here, because Tensor looks exactly like Ethereum before Ethereum did its very first pump, even before its first market cycle. The very first pump on Ethereum, super early on when it first got added to Poloniex before Ethereum went parabolic and did its first pump. So it's definitely possible for us to see those types of gains on this coin. And the market cap wouldn't really be that big considering the market cap of some of the bigger altcoins that are out there already. So next on our list is Origin Protocol with a market cap of $56 million currently. And my target for this coin is 40x, which would put the market cap at 2.2 billion and the price at around $3.50. And here's a chart. As you can see, this coin looks a lot like Bitcoin back in 2015 before Bitcoin went parabolic in 2016 and in 2017. So I love the setup here with Origin Protocol, and I do believe we will see a nice parabolic run for this coin. So next on our list is Hyperlane with a market cap of 59 million and a target of 50x from current price. That would put the market cap at 2.9 billion and a target of $17 per coin. And in terms of the fractal for this coin, as you can see, Hyperlane looks a lot like Dogecoin before Dogecoin went parabolic in 2021. So this coin could give us a massive return on our investment, and I do believe we will see a very big parabolic run for Hyperlane. Another coin that I'm looking at is Audio, with a market cap of 88 million currently. And my target for this coin is 80x, which would be a $7 billion market cap. And that would give us a target of $6 per coin. This coin also looks a lot like the old Bitcoin fractal. So just to the old all-time high would put us at these prices, and that's definitely possible considering how small the market cap is currently and how big the parabolic run is coming for crypto as a whole. So next on our list is VeThor, and VeThor looks a lot like Nvidia before Nvidia went parabolic. Now this coin currently has a market cap of $176 million, and my target for this coin is 53x from current price, or 10 cents per coin, which would put the market cap at about 9.3 billion. Skale is another coin on this list of lower market cap coins that I'm looking at. And I know we're getting up into the higher market cap, so these are almost mid caps, but they're not quite mid caps yet. My target for Skale is 45 times your investment. If it does 45x in value, that would put us at an $8 billion market cap, which is around $1.40 per coin. So that's a pretty big return on this setup, and I really like the chart, as you can see right here. Skale also looks a lot like the old Bitcoin fractal before Bitcoin went parabolic in 2016 and in 2017. So the same human psychology is playing out on this coin that we saw back in the day with Bitcoin. So next on our list is Stronghold, with a market cap of 179 million currently, and my target is 31x, which would put us at a $5.5 billion market cap. And that would also put the price at around $1 per Stronghold. So that's a pretty good return from current price, considering the fact that the market cap is already pretty big for this coin. And I do believe we will see a very strong parabolic run for this coin. If you haven't watched my first video about this coin, go watch it. I did make a video about Stronghold before it started taking off, and I believe we're going to see a lot more upside from here. As far as the chart goes, it looks a lot like Bitcoin before Bitcoin went parabolic in 2017. So last but not least on our list, and this coin does have the biggest market cap, is AIOZ. This coin currently has a market cap of 448 million, and my target is 35x, which would put the market cap at 15 billion total. And that would give us a target of $13 per coin. And this coin also looks a lot like the Dogecoin fractal before Dogecoin went to the moon in 2021. It's in the first sell-off pattern right now before it goes parabolic, just exactly like what every market cycle does. There's always a first sell-off before the market goes parabolic and goes to the moon. So again, that would put this at 35 billion in total market cap and a target of $13 per coin. Now again, I want to emphasize that the best strategy isn't to try to sell all of your coins at these highest targets, but to buy now while they're still undervalued and scale out as the price goes up. Because if you hold on and just ride the market up and slowly take profits, then you don't have to know exactly where the top is going to be, and you're going to maximize your gains on all of these setups. Now I have one more bonus coin for today's video. This coin is a meme coin. It's called Wrapped Dog, and there's actually two main targets that I have for this coin. It looks a lot like the Ethereum fractal before Ethereum went parabolic in 2017, and my first target for this coin is 10 cents, which would be about 100x in value. And the second target would be $1, which would be 1000x in value. Now, the reason this coin could go so high is because the market cap is only $1 million right now, and the parabolic movement that could happen from here, considering the volume, is absolutely insane. So this is definitely a coin that you want to have in your portfolio in preparation for a massive parabolic run, so you could make up to 100x or even 1000x return on your investment for Wrapped Dog. So yeah, that's my list of the top 10 low cap utility coins with a bonus meme coin that could do massive gains this cycle. Now, there is a link in the description of this video with a Google document that has all of these coins listed in it. So make sure you go click in the description of this video so you have access to all of these different coins and you can look at the charts and check out all of them in one place. Also, I started a school community. It can feel hard sometimes to know what indicators to use, what strategies to use. So that's why I created the school community to help you guys learn how to trade and invest and make the most profits in these markets easily and consistently. So the Discord is where we're going to be doing the signals and all of my investing signals. But the school community is this new place that I started where you guys can learn how to trade and invest through videos. It's only $69 a month. So make sure you check out the school community link in the description box below so you guys can learn how to trade and invest and make money easily and consistently. So yeah, thank you guys so much for tuning into today's video. I love and appreciate every single one of you. I look forward to seeing you guys in future videos. And as always, stay profitable out there.